A shocking development has now come in the arrest of Raj Kundra, the husband of actor Shilpa Shetty, that with regard to an alleged pornography scandal. The shocking development is that there's a contract copy. Take a look at that on your screens. A contract copy that has been accessed by India Today, in which this pornography racket gang would make aspiring actors sign. Now, the contract reads that the woman is giving her consent of performing bold, intimate, erotic and nude scenes if required, and that these scenes can be used in any film or on an OTT platform. Now, interestingly, the contract it does not have any name of a film company. There is no name of a registration number on this contract. The contract also does not have the name of what web series that is being planned out, what is the release date, possibly, expectedly, of that production. The contract copy is the one which this group would, under the pretext of these scenes, would get the girls to sign, but it appears that they were eventually being made to do pornography films, and because there was a contract already signed, the women and the actors had to then go ahead with it. So what precisely are the details that have come in on this development of the pornography scandal? Let me take you through it one by one. So hereby, according to the contract, the actors sign, I give the consent and declare that I have agreed to perform intimate, erotic, bold scenes. You can see that clearly there on the reading. What happens then? Including lip lock, smooth scenes, topless, nude scenes for this film. I have agreed to perform these scenes. Now, this means that the contract is being signed. It is legally applicable. At my own will, according to the sign, and not under any pressure from the production house, I hereby declare that I have no objection, as is mentioned there in the copy, whatsoever, if the production house uses my erotic, bold, topless, nude scenes in the film. Which film? No clarity on that. And therefore, this is the contract that is being signed and or run on whatever websites or the OTT platform, and I shall not claim any allegations against the same. So what this happens is, there's a contract that an aspiring actor signs, or anyone for that matter, that is legally bound, but without the references of what production is being planned. That is how this group allegedly had these actors perform in pornography films. Divyesh Singh has accessed this specific copy as well and has details of it. Divyesh, what difference would this contract copy make? Because if the actors are coming forth and stating, we did not know, we were being pushed into it, but the fact is, if there's a contract copy, then it does go really for the benefit of the company or of this gang, so to say, rather than the investigators. Over to you, Divyesh.
Pooja, remember, there's a section that has been applied in the case of obscenity in public places, which has been applied against the accused. This contract brings to light the intent that was there, the intent of the accused involved, intent of those involved into this racket, intent of those who were creating this kind of content on purpose for business purposes, for illegal business purposes, and that is how the intent will be established with the help of this contract copy. Our sources in Mumbai Police tell us that there are several other similar contract copies with the Mumbai Police, and Mumbai Police is analyzing all these contracts, which will be taken into consideration, while the charge sheet is filed against the accused, showing their intent on creating the pornographic content that was being uploaded on various apps, various OTT platforms, and was being sold online. So this particular contract copy and various other contract copies of various aspiring actresses whose statements have been recorded by the police will help prove the intent of the accused involved, and that is what our sources tell us. Pooja?
Divyesh Singh, with all the latest, a contract copy being signed by the actors and then made to do allegedly pornography films, and that would then uploaded on the OTT platforms. Divyesh will be tracking all the latest. Remember, a lot of shocking details are coming, but these are only allegations for now. Serious allegations at that, which the investigators are probing. Mumbai Police, however, continues to reiterate that they have evidence to prove that Raj Kundra was involved in a pornography scandal. But there's an actor who has now come forth. Her name is Gehna Vashisht. You can see her visuals there on the screen. Gehna Vashisht is said to be in the heart of this alleged racket, but she has spoken to India Today and denied all the charges. According to investigators, on one hand, Gehna Vashisht was involved in making of some of these pornography films that she would email to Kundra's assistant, and these films were then uploaded on the application Hot Shots and others. She was even taken into arrest by the Mumbai crime branch in February. She served jail time for 5 months before she got out on bail. Gehna is now telling India Today that she did work with Raj Kundra, but there were no obscene videos that were shot. Cops, meanwhile, have seized a server from Kundra's office that may have been used to upload any sort of pornography-related content.
Allegation which they have put on us has nothing to do with us. We have made normal erotica films, bold films, but none of them comes in the category of porn films. I have worked with Raj Kundra in 3 films, and those films are just erotic films, just bold films. मुझे टारगेट किया जा रहा है, ये तो सबको पता है, पूरी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री जानती है, सबको। मैं 11 साल से फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रही हूँ। मेरे खिलाफ ना तो कोई चीटिंग का केस है, ना कुछ है, ना मैंने कभी किसी पे केस किया, ना मैंने सेट पे कभी तमाशा किया, और मैंने एज एन एक्ट्रेस ही इतना काम किया जो भी काम किया है। तो मुझे टारगेट किया जा रहा है, ये क्लियर है।
The 5 months you spent in jail, there were some health issues also which you suffered. If you'd like to tell about that.
For me, it was a complete new journey. So the life which I have lived for 5 months, I cannot express in words. So because of that, this all has happened. And then my sugar was around 600, 673, 675. I was in COVID center for 17 days. Then they have admitted me in JJ hospital also, but nothing has helped me.
Now, while Raj Kundra is under arrest with serious allegations of an alleged pornography scandal, his wife and popular actor Shilpa Shetty is returning to films after 14 years. That with her film Hungama 2, but at a time when there's personal controversy already around. He's in custody. The investigation is on. So the question is, could this controversy affect Shilpa Shetty's comeback or even her future work commitments now? Take a look at this report.
She's not just an actor, but also a fitness influencer, an entrepreneur, mother of 2, and wife of Raj Kundra. A price she may have to pay for professionally. Shilpa Shetty has been away from films for 14 long years. But just when she was about to make a comeback with Priyadarshan's directorial Hungama 2 after a self-imposed sabbatical, her husband, business tycoon Raj Kundra, got arrested in the porn peddling case. He's in police custody and the investigation is still on. But amid the controversy, the makers are going ahead with the 23rd of July as the release date for Hungama 2, and the title track of the film was also released as a part of the promotion. Call it bad timing, but both the title of the film as well as the lyrics of this peppy number surely added fuel to the fire. So much so that social media was flooded with memes, and even hashtags like Boycott Bollywood and Hungama Ho Gaya started to trend.